So one of the things that we always get from our patients is when we tell them, they come to us and then we're counseling them and the importance of nutrition, of getting the right protein, the right amino acids. You'll always hear them, well, I take whey protein, I take BCAAs, I take all of those, and for them, they think it's enough.
So this is one of the myths. You know, all proteins are equal. You know, if you sit down with your average dietitian and she says, okay, you need 0.8 grams per kilogram a day of protein. Now, if you have a yogurt, there's 8 grams of protein. If you have a balanced bar,
Peanuts.
there's 10 grams of protein. If you have a steak, there's 20 grams of protein. And if you have some peanuts, it's this much protein. And so we just add them up. And if you get to your number, let's say your number is 60 grams of protein a day or 80 grams of protein a day, you're good. And that assumes that they're all equal. But they're not all equal.